It's a pleasure to have you here. The Alfine A688 Heaven Duet Massage Chair is truly a luxurious full-body relaxation experience designed to melt away stress and tension with precision. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this massage chair at the best price in the market. This chair combines advanced 4D and 3D dual mechanism massage technology with zero-gravity reclining, offering a deeply immersive relaxation session that targets every part of your body. The SL Long Track ensures that your neck, shoulders, back, and legs receive comprehensive care, while the adjustable shoulder width, lumbar heating, and program customization options allow you to tailor the massage exactly to your comfort needs. One of the highlights is the automatic electric footrest extension, which provides an indulgent leg and foot massage with calf rolling and precise 3D foot kneading. The chair's intuitive touchscreen remote, smart voice control, and quick access control panel make operation effortless, letting you switch between programs or adjust settings without interrupting your relaxation. While the Alfine A688 Heaven Duet is a premium investment at $4,219, its combination of advanced technology, customizable features, and full body coverage makes it worth every penny for anyone serious about wellness and relaxation. Some users may find the chair's size requires sufficient space at home, and the faux leather, while comfortable and easy to clean, may not match real leather aesthetics. Nevertheless, for daily stress relief, yoga stretch sessions, and complete rejuvenation, this massage chair stands out among competitors. Its ability to precisely target lumbar tension, hip stiffness, and leg fatigue sets it apart from typical recliners or simpler massage chairs. Imagine coming home after a long day and immersing yourself in a zero-gravity position while the chair expertly kneads your muscles, relieving aches and helping you unwind completely. Whether you enjoy short, targeted sessions or full-length relaxation programs, this chair adapts to your needs. Don't wait to experience this ultimate comfort. Click the link in the description below now to bring the Alfine A688 Heaven Duet Massage Chair into your home and elevate your wellness routine immediately.